Route4Me's Route Map provides a visual overview of multiple optimized routes. It gives you an interactive map where you can apply instant changes to multiple routes at the same time. You can add, remove, and move stops. This saves you time when you need to fine-tune your routes for any given day, while at the same time simplifying how you keep track of your team's routing progress. The Routes Map page is split into 3 main sections: the list, the map, and the timeline. The list displays relevant information about your routes, such as the created date, the assigned user, or the total distance. You can customize the view by right-clicking on the header and selecting what data you want to be displayed. Clicking the gear icon next to a route will bring up all the available options to view, edit, re-optimize, and share the route. When you select routes by checking the boxes next to them, they'll appear on the map, which allows you to display multiple routes side by side. Hovering over a stop will display all information associated with it. You can bring up multiple map layers by clicking the Map Settings button. For example, you can display current traffic conditions, your address book information, or stop ETAs. A configurable summary table is available at the bottom of the map. Clicking the gear icon will allow you to configure the relevant metrics you want to be displayed. You can also switch between map and satellite view. Moreover, you can view the live location and status of all your drivers in one place. The timeline is at the bottom of the Routes Map screen. It shows addresses linearly by the date and time of their planned visit. If you want to adjust the way your stops are distributed across routes that are planned for the same day, simply drag one or multiple stops from one route to another. You can also change the stop order within the same route. Right-clicking on any stop will show all the available options for managing it within the route. If you want to see routes planned for separate dates on the same timeline, you can check Ignore Dates at the bottom right of the screen. The size of each section can be adjusted for better visibility, and the map can even be maximized by clicking the double arrow buttons. Let's move on to the actions available in the contextual menu at the top of the screen. The File menu allows you to merge, duplicate, and compare multiple routes, as well as export their data to a CSV file. The Edit menu contains multiple dispatch options, while the View menu provides options for viewing the list and for viewing data for your selected routes. In the Routes menu, you can add an address into the best route, meaning that the system will automatically determine where the new address should go in an existing set of planned routes. The Insert Address into Selected Routes option allows you to include the same address into multiple routes. A good option if, for example, you want all your routes to end at the same location. If you do make changes to the timeline by moving stops from one route to another, it's a good idea to re-optimize those routes, either entirely or just the stops that are yet to be visited.